Hi student, we finished exercise number 6.1. Now we are going to start exercise number 6.2. But before we start the exercise, I want you to just recall some of the properties which you have already learned in the lower classes. So let's start. Parallel line and a transversal. You know that a line which intersect two or more lines at distinct point is called a transversal, right? See, this is a diagram which I have drawn. These are the two lines. Suppose let the name the line M and this is line L. Then what I said, a line which intersect, and this is a line which intersecting the two line M and N, say L is intersecting at point P and Q. Then line L is said as a transversal. Now, because of this transversal, the line L, the transversal, जो transversal है, if you observe this, you can see the different angles. See, like this, just name the angles like angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, this angle 5, this is angle 6, angle 7, and this is angle 8. Okay. Now, these angles are corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angles, and co-interior angles, or we can say alternate angles on the same side of transversal, right? So, let's you know that from the earlier classes only कि इसमें से जो कुछ pair है, some pairs are corresponding. So, see what is corresponding angle. Actually, you already have learned in the lower classes कि what is corresponding angle. See this figure and name the corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5, right? Then angle 2 and angle 6. Then angle 4 and angle 8. And similarly angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angle. So just let's list corresponding angle, 4 pair of corresponding angle, angle 1 and angle 5. Then number 2, angle 2 and angle 6. Third, angle 4 and angle 8, and fourth, angle 3 and angle 7 are known as corresponding angle. Now, alternate exterior angle and alternate interior angle. There are again two types. Alternate interior means this 4 and 6. Second pair is 3 and 5. And alternate exterior angles are angle 2, angle 8, and angle 1 and angle 7. So let's write alternate interior angle, angle 4 and angle 6, and angle 3 and angle 5. Now alternate exterior angles are angle 1 and angle 7, number 2, angle 2 and angle 8. Now next is angles, interior angles on the same side of transversal. So angles on the same side of transversal, or these angles are also known as consecutive interior angles, allied angles, or co-interior angles. And they are angle 4 and angle 5. See, it is co-interior angle or angle on the same side of transversal. ये transversal और उसके एक ही side में. तो angle 4 और 5 है, और second pair है angle 3 and angle 6. Okay, so interior angle on the same side of transversal, or they are also said as co-interior angle or a allied angle, and they are angle 4 and angle 5, number 1, and number 2 are angle 3 and angle 6. Okay, this all you have learned in the lower classes. It's just a one recollection for you. Okay, now let's start the axiom based on this. There are mainly two axioms given to us based on these angles. Let's see the first axiom. Here is the first axiom. The axiom is if a transversal, what is the axiom? If a transversal intersect two parallel lines. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then the pair of corresponding angles is equal. Okay. So if the angles are corresponding, they will be always equal in measures. Like suppose here angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angle. So if angle 1 is 30 degree, angle 5 will also be 30 degree. Again angle 4 and angle 8 are equal. They are corresponding angle. So if angle 4 is 60, 8 will also be 60. Same goes with 3 and angle 6. They are corresponding angle. If angle 2 is 40 degree, angle 6 will also be 40 degree. And angle 3 and 7 are also corresponding. So if 3 is 100, angle 7 will also be 100. Understood? So corresponding angles are always equal in measure. Now the next axiom is, if a transversal intersect two lines such that the pair of corresponding angles are equal, the converse of it, opposite of it, the corresponding angles are equal. If it is given that corresponding angles are equal, so we can say then the two lines are parallel to each other. एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट, अगर दो लाइन पैरेलल है और एक ट्रांसवर्सल उसको इंटरसेक्ट करती है तो करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल, और वाइस वर्सा, if the corresponding angles are equal then the line has to be parallel. Means if it is given that angle 4 and angle 8 is equal, or if you prove that angle 2 or angle 6 are equal, then you can write line M is parallel to line